In this video, we are going to discuss about the clamper circuit. So there are two types of clampers. One is positive clamper and negative clamper. Here if you see the input signal, here I have a sine wave, and this is my peak value, um, and this is a negative peak value. So the peak to peak value is 10. Here the output is clamped to a desired level by either shifting up or shifting down an input signal. So if it is shifting up, it is called as positive clamper. If it is shifting down, it is called as negative clamper. The application of this clamper is it is used as a DC restorer, which is used in the television circuit in order to restore the DC level for the video signal. It is also called as DC inserter, and it is used to add a fixed voltage level to a minimum or maximum value of the input signal. So if I now I am going to take my V reference as 2 volt. Okay. So initially, let me take the V in value is equal to 0. So if V in is 0, I can see V plus is greater than V minus, right? So since V plus is given to V reference and its value is 2, right, and V minus value is 0. So in the V of F, you will get answer as 2, right? Because O of F is equal to V plus minus V minus, that is equal to 2 volt. So that here the diode will conduct, right? So the diode will conduct. So this will so if the diode will conduct, this will charge my capacitor. So it will charge my capacitor to 2 volt, right? So the next condition is I'm going to take a V in as equal to, okay. So here the V in value is I'm going to take it as minus 5 volt. That is nothing but minus Vp, right? So if that is the case, so here what is V plus? V plus is 2. V plus is 2, and what is the value of V minus? V minus is minus 5 plus 2, right? Minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. So this is my V minus value. So initially I am having it is minus 5 plus 2. I will have in the V minus I will have minus 3 volt. So here also V plus is greater than V minus. So what is my VOF value? VOF value is nothing but 2 minus 2 plus 3, right? That is equal to 5 volt. Okay, here also the diode will conduct. Diode will conduct and it will charge my capacitor. So initially I have a 2 volt. This again the diode will conduct and it will charge to another 5 volt. Okay. So now it is 7 volt, right? So what is my 2? So 2 represent V reference value, right? And this 5 volt represent Vp value, right? Vp value. So what is the third condition? If Vn is positive, it is Vp. Okay. So what is Vp and V minus? So V plus and V minus, it is 2. What is V minus? Now it is 5. This is 5 plus 10 plus 2, right? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2. It is nothing but 12 volts. So here V minus is greater than V plus, right? So here, so the diode will not conduct. Okay, so the diode will not conduct. So the diode will not conduct. So this will be open circuited, right? So this will be open circuited. So what is the value now at V0? So the V0 value is nothing but this one. Okay. So whatever the value here, it will reach the output. So what is V0 now? V0 is equal to V in plus V reference plus VT. So V in value is 5 now. V reference is 2 plus 5. So it is 12 volt. Okay. So during the positive half cycle, you will get the output as 12 volt, right? So this is 12. Okay, this is 12. So you know the peak to peak value. So the peak to peak value, it is from the peak to peak value is this one. This is my peak to peak value. So V peak to peak value is 5 minus of minus 5, that is 10 volt, right? So it has to be from 12 volt to 2 volt. So you can see the signal is um, clamped to the positive side. So if you see in the first and the second condition, this will make my only my capacitance to charge, like, so when V in is equal to 0, it will charge my capacitance, and V in equal to minus 5 volt also, it will charge my capacitance. Only during the third condition, during the positive half cycle only, the V0 is equal to V in plus V reference, you are getting the output. Okay, so the V0 is equal to V in minus V in plus V reference plus VP. Okay, so uh, I can write V0 is equal to V in plus V reference plus VP. Okay. So V in value, it is ranging from minus 5 to 5, and V reference value is 2, and VP value it charged to 5, right? So it is nothing but V in plus 7. Okay. So you know that the V in ranging from minus 5 to 5 volt. Okay. So if I substitute minus 5, okay, if I substitute minus 5, so this is my V0, right? V0 and T, and this is my input signal. Okay, this is 5 and this is minus 5 T, and it is VI, V input, right? So when it is 5, if I substitute 5, I will get 12. Like when it is minus 5, if I substitute, I will get minus 2. If it is 0, if I substitute, I will get 7, right? So this is nothing but 7. Next, and you can check the rest of the values, right? So the application of the clampers advantage and disadvantage, I have given it in the description box. So this circuit is called as a active clamper circuit because using a opamp. So there is also a passive clamper circuit is there. That is also I will give you in the description box, so you can refer that video also. So if I want to construct a negative clamper, you have to um, change the diode direction. Thank you.